Activity 8. Finding and interpreting the intersection of lines. This is a part of Unit 4, Analytical Geometry. Solve and get involved. Be sure you get involved in any of the fall sports that are offered at your school. If you don't feel confident enough to play the sport, see if any team is looking for a manager. If you don't feel like making that kind of commitment, at least try and get out and support the team by cheering. In this activity we're about to look at, you'll have to make some decisions in order to see which option is the better deal or the better choice. Have fun! And a very important part of mathematics is intersections. The intersection of two lines is the point where the two lines cross each other. The point where two cars could potentially intersect is of concern to a traffic manager. In analyzing real-life scenarios, the point of intersection gives you critical information about the models. For example, consider the problem of joining a local gym. You have two choices, both of which have excellent facilities and are equally convenient for you to visit. How can you decide between the two? Well, why not compare the costs? Gym A charges $170 up front and $20 per month. Gym B charges $50 up front and $50 per month. There are two questions here that I'd like you to answer, and then come back and check to see if your result is the same as ours. Question A. Write an equation that models the cost of Gym A and the cost of Gym B. Use C to represent the cost and T to represent the time in months. So you'll have two equations, one for Gym A and one for Gym B. Then go on to part B. Create a graphical model for both sets of costs. Use the same set of axes for both cost lines, which means you should have one set of axes with two lines graphed on it when you're completed. When you're ready to check your work, come on back to the next episode.